Today I would like to talk about the override feature. If you have a product which is not linked to Importify yet, or you just want to change the supplier for one of your existing products, you should use the override feature. Let's take a look how we do it. Go to your supplier product page URL, click the Add button, choose the override option, pick one of the products you would like to override. Let's say I want to override this product. Now you have an option to get data from Shopify, which is the old information, title and description, or get data from supplier, which is the new information. Okay, and click the override product. Wait till you get the message that the product was successfully imported. And now we can go to the old listing, refresh the page, and see the new listing. Okay, with the new title and the new description.